Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at some clearance items. We do have a lot of Ego going on clearance. So a stack of Ego products. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Alright, to start we got some lights here, Handy Bright. $29.99, $9.97, and $12.97. So I don't know if these are rechargeable or not, but I guess some of them are like security lights for this blower. So it's a 40 volts. So it looks like it does include the battery and the charger. $159. And then we got the Toro on sale on clearance, basically $339. Definitely recommend you guys check out your Home Depot, see if you guys have any of those Toros. I don't know why they're getting rid of them. Maybe because they're changing the brands and stuff like that. Got these nice totes from Husky, $29.98, really nice. They do have some weather stripping there. They're not just like a regular tote there. So, and then we got the middle boxes there. The middle, you got the buy one get one free from 12 volts from Milwaukee, and that was on clearance, but it's already out. The $15. But yeah, they're still running this deal. The buy one of these kits on the left and get one of those tools on the right. Same thing with Makita. They're still running this deal on this Home Depot. And for some reason we haven't got any of the Christmas deals yet or the holiday deals near my Home Depots. I'm still trying to find those deals. Hopefully we're gonna get them within the next week or so. Now we got some flex volts here. So I was just looking for the new tools, the newer tools from FlexVolt. You guys don't know there's like a 5-tool combo kit that's coming out with the tough system. It's going to be around $500. If you're planning on buying a FlexVolt, make sure you guys wait for that deal. It's going to be like a 5-tool FlexVolt system with the tough system. It's not the 2.0. They advertise it as a 2.0, but we're seeing it as a 1.0. It's going to be around $500, $499. So you guys make sure you guys stay tuned. If you guys are planning on purchasing the FlexVolt kits, that's probably one of the bundles or the combos you want to get. Here we got some toolboxes here, some Husky toolboxes. Definitely recommend you guys look at the Tough System 2.0. That's the price for the pack out, by the way. So that's not the Tough System. That's the pack out, more pack out. $79.97 for the middle box, I guess. Looks really nice. I really like the pack out, but it seems a little pricey. Maybe they say there's some rumors out there it's gonna go on sale again. That's the middle of the grade, $40 for the 2.0, Tough System 2.0. And then I was looking for some caps for just doing some anchors for some boxes. So I basically needed these for work, so I just stopped by. I wasn't planning on filming this video. That's why it's so short. But seeing the clearance, the huge clearance that they have on Ego, that's what it made me film this video for you guys. Alright, we got some more Tough System 2.0. They do have their own end cap here, so $79 for the rolling toolbox with the 2 wheels. Then $40 for the smaller one there. And you guys, they still running the buy more, save more from DeWalt. $24.88 for the pipe cutter. And then yeah, guys, this is the big section, Eagle section. All these Eagle tools are on clearance basically. And then here they got some household, and they do have a hard hat from Milwaukee for $49.97. I don't know if that's a regular price or not, but looks really nice. Hopefully it's lower than that and somebody can get it. But it does include, it does have a light at the end. It does have like their wide and their spotlight. It's like a little LED bar. Then yeah, this is the section where they got all kinds of tools, Ego tools. To start off, they had that $79 Ryobi. Then they got that chainsaw, 56 volt, 18 inches for $269. $169 for the string trimmers. So they got a whole bunch of string trimmers here. Some of them do come with batteries, some of them don't. So $279 for that the chainsaw there at the top. It's an 18-inch. And some of these trimmers do come with batteries, some of them don't. Like I said, it's just you just gotta watch out. Make sure you guys get in the right tool or the most amounts for your money. And then we got this light with the power strip for $39 HDX. And then some more regular tools, and then a battery for $84. It's a 2.5 amp hour. That's Eagle. And if you guys are on the Phoenix area and you guys are interested in any of these products, I can let you guys know in the comments which store is this. So $3.99 on sale. They went down from $4.99 to $3.99. Definitely recommend you guys stepping it up to Eagle, because as soon as they go to the Lowe's, you're not gonna see them at $3.99 anymore. These are the self-propelled models too, so not the cheaper models. It's the newer model out there, as you guys see there. So $3.99 for the self-propelled, and they do come with batteries and chargers. They got some blowers there for $99 from Ryobi. And that's pretty much it. Just want to show you guys a short video for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.